So it may look like my hair is pretty messy all the time. I don't like to do anything with it, but dreads are honestly a lot of work, and there's no way I'm taking care of it by myself. So I got my loctician here.
Hi.
Miss Jamie. And then Ryan.
What's up?
Is about to begin the journey. So this is his hair at the beginning. And hopefully Jamie will show you how to make a dreadlock or two on his head. So that's what today's video is going to be, a little bit different than what we normally do.
Got a couple already started here, so I'm going to start with just getting them in better shape than they are.
Yeah, they're a little rough.
Yeah.
There's a before of what the natural forming looks like.
Yes.
So
Now all I use is a 0.1 crochet hook.
gotcha.
No products, no anything. So yeah, this one has some loopies and stuff in it. It's taking little pieces of hair from one section and pulling it into another. So loopy number one, almost gone. Knotting it through, because there are certain things you have to do with Caucasian hair to get it to actually be a dread, and braiding is not one of those things.
I started out real rough. I had rubber bands all in my hair for the sections, and I kept them in there trying to get the tips right and all. And then Jamie told me she could do it. Actually, my buddy's mom.
There. Loopy number two gone.
And I don't get to normally see this process as you're normally working on my head.
No.
So she's got quite a few of them done,
Some more meth?
which will thicken up over time. Mine were very skinny when they started. Ryan's got super thin hair and doesn't want 10 dreads on his head, so.
And you got to keep in mind that all that hair that usually falls out in the shower and falls out when you brush it and everything, that all gets added to your dreads, so they fatten up pretty quick.
I don't want you to watch this YouTube video and just think you're gonna be able to do dreads yourself, have your girlfriend do it, whatever. I'm just saying, my hair is a lot more work than it seems, and I just wanted to show you what goes into it. We're already started at 3 o'clock. We're already an hour in, and there's maybe 10, 12 done. But
13. We're on number 13.
13, and he's still got all this head left to go. There's a lot of work that goes into dreads, more than just not washing your hair. You actually want to
wash
keep
your
it.
damn hair. You want me working on your dreads?
You actually wash your hair as much as possible.
No conditioner.
No conditioner. And you just don't brush it. That's the only difference.
Nothing with sulfas or sulfates in it.
Always a non-residue shampoo. Jamie actually has been doing this for a living for quite a while now. And if you want her contact information, you can DM me on Instagram. You can find her on Facebook. And what is your Facebook? JMEBTZ?
Yep.
Alright. I'll put that caption right here. And I'm gonna go fishing, so I'm gonna leave her up to it. But I'll check back later when Ryan's got a full set of dreads, hopefully. I'm out here with Captain Tag Johnson.
That's right.
Got a whale full of bait. And we got some out in the water. See what happens.
Yep.
It's a little less than ideal conditions today.
Better than being at work.
Better than being out work for sure. Just seen a free jumper. Jack ran up on him, put some bait in the water. So is mine. And it is about to come down on us. Not too much of a switch up in the video today, but I'll film it if we catch anything, for sure. Less than ideal conditions on the water today.
Oh, this is great. Great condition.
Just a little chilly. But good thing the GoPro 7's got stabilization. I hope it's turned on. I'm huddled up behind the windshield as much as I can go.
Get on the shore, I go put it up in. Got 5 gallons of fuel left.
Really?
No. I hope not. Damn, dude. This is now right next to the Rankin. Puerto Rican boat wash, baby. Hell yeah. Live well full of baits. We ain't done yet. We're going to the bridges.
Snook fishing, boy.
Mama didn't raise no pussy. It's fucked, boys.
I'ma film if shit goes down, but otherwise I'll see you back at the truck. I hope. Woo! I just caught that one. It's been about an hour, but we made it back in. Stopped raining. It's still raining, but yep, we got shit on. No fish. Did a little bit of fishing, but it is what it is sometimes. A little afternoon squall interrupted our session, but I'll see you back at the house. You gotta like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.